Video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Discord guild step by step. There's no fluff here. I'm getting straight into it because there are a lot of tutorials out there that don't actually show you the real way to do it. Before we start, make sure your Discord app is fully up to date because this feature isn't available to everyone yet. You can access all the latest options and settings for creating a guild. The first thing you want to do is go to your server. Keep in mind, you need to be either the server owner or a moderator with sufficient permissions to access guild settings. Once you're in your server, click on server settings. Then scroll down until you find the option called guild settings. This is where all the magic happens. Now we're ready to set up the guild. The first step is to select the games you want your guild to focus on. For example, you can pick popular titles like Apex Legends, Valorant, Fortnite, or any other game your community loves. After selecting the games, you can also define the type of guild you want it to be. This could be competitive, casual, or just a super relaxed server. This will help new members understand what kind of environment they're joining. Next, you want to pick traits for your guild. Traits are essentially tags that describe the server. For example, your guild could be beginner-friendly, competitive, or casual. These traits act as a quick reference for potential members and give your server a clear identity. After that, it's time to set the discussion topics in your guild. Think of these as bullet points or categories for what members can talk about. You can include topics like gaming, general chat, hobbies, or specific games. Having clear topics keeps conversations organized and makes your server feel more structured. Now let's talk about the guild description. This is the first thing people see when considering joining. You can write up to 146 characters, so make it short, catchy, and engaging. For example, you could say, "Must love cake," or "Valorant fans welcome." This gives your guild personality and sets the tone for the community. Next up are guild badges. These are like a visual identifier for members, similar to server roles. They can be used to showcase ranks, achievements, or even just for style. When choosing badges, pick the ones that look coolest or fit the theme of your guild. Different colors and designs can also signify different meanings. Then there's the guild profile, which functions like server roles. You can assign badges that show each member's rank or status, like guild leader, casual player, or pro gamer. This helps keep the server organized and makes members feel recognized for their contributions. Once your setup is complete, go to the Join Application section. Here, you can create questions that new members must answer before joining. For example, I've added "Do you like cake?" as a fun question, but you can make it casual or serious depending on your server's vibe. You can add as many questions as you want, and as a server owner, you can review all responses to decide who should be allowed in. After finishing, save all your settings, and your guild is now live. You can start inviting people and they'll be able to see the traits, badges, and description when applying. Each guild application gives you control over who joins, making it easy to manage your community. And that's it once you know the steps. It's a great way to organize your gaming communities or bring together like-minded people. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. I spent a lot of time figuring this out and wanted to make it easy for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.